different. Look how the conditions are rapidly deteriorating. We've already received reports of on both sides of Boulder Pass. We've got some semis stuck or at least chaining up here. How about Rogers Pass? Look at that. Looks like middle of January. Monarch Canyon here, reduced visibility with some snow coming down. And yeah, McDonald Pass, you can still see a little bit of that road surface, but we've got some solid snow coming down with a lot of wind. Not that much snow just yet in the Helena Valley. That's going to change quickly. Boy, it's cold, and that snow will accumulate even down in the valley here. You can see some of that snow, the flakes blowing around with wind gusting to 30 miles per hour. Feels like 16 outside. It's not very typical for the middle part of April now. Great Falls, 31. Had some snow last night into this morning on the west and southwest side of Great Falls. Feels like 19 degrees when you factor in that wind gusting to 31 miles per hour. Eastern Montana in the 40s. Enjoy that because those temperatures will be dropping here as well, where we've got the blizzard warning out in the eastern part of the state. Strong winds. That wind will blow this snow around, reducing visibility, making for extremely difficult travel tonight and tomorrow here. This is a powerful storm system, and once again, the winds will create reduced visibility here. Blizzard conditions into eastern Montana, all the way maybe into Wednesday morning. Snow, it's mainly south central and the western part of the state here. Around the Helena area, not so much in the valley, but we've got some good snow into the higher terrain around town. Great Falls quiet right now, but we'll be filling in this entire area with snow as we go through the rest of this evening and through the overnight hours. Snowing west of the divide, and although the radar's not picking it up, we do have some snow along Interstate 90 from Butte up over the Bozeman Pass area. There it is. Already a record amount of snow for places like Portland, Oregon. Very unusual to get snow into April here in Portland, and center of low pressure right about there, and that will continue to work its way across Montana tonight into tomorrow morning. That's when the worst of the snow will be for places like Great Falls and Helena, Butte and Bozeman through the overnight hours, where it could snow 1 inch per hour at least for a few hours here. So some pretty heavy snow again after about 10, 11 o'clock here tonight into tomorrow morning. Lewistown starting to get into some of that snow overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And then by the afternoon, the worst of the snow and wind will shift east. Start to see the snow lighten up just a little bit here. So if you have to travel tomorrow, it'll be a little better later in the day for the western and central parts of the state. Eastern Montana, it gets worse through Tuesday into Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. Still maybe looking at some snow accumulating around Glasgow, and still looking at some areas of light snow all the way through Wednesday. This is a significant snow event here really for the southern half of the state, getting into tomorrow afternoon, and then it's tomorrow night into Wednesday morning up in the northeast part of the state. So some areas around the state, the high line not getting hit that hard here, but Lewistown maybe even up to about 1.5 feet of snow. The mountains could see upwards of 3 feet, and it's a prolonged period of cold and snowy weather. That storm moving out as we get into later Wednesday. Another one coming in as we get into Thursday into Friday, followed by possibly another snow event for Easter Sunday morning. Forecast for tonight: snow, wind, cold, not so much north central and northeast Montana, but your time will come. Snow developing around Lewistown, and certainly a snowy night around the Helena area. Tomorrow, snow, heavy in the morning, shifting east, the heaviest of the snow that is, as we get into later in the day. Very cold, teens and 20s for highs. Wednesday, areas of light snow. Thursday, there's that next system starting to move in here. So we could have snow on the ground all the way through Easter Sunday here. It's not going to melt anytime soon with those cold temperatures. And for Helena, please be careful tonight and tomorrow, and then again Friday and Easter Sunday morning.